Hi, this is Coach Jess and I'm excited to share to you in this video mga rason, all the reasons why maraming nagjo-join sa IMG at maraming nag-succeed at umasenso sa IMG. I'm going to share to you my 14 reasons why IMG could be the best community for you, could be the best business for you, and for your family as well. Let's learn together in this why IMG is the best community and career for you. Reason number one. Number one reason. Great mission. Financial education and financial preparedness. Dito po sa IMG, we're like a school. Once you join, once you enroll, you get to learn everything that you need to learn about how to handle your money properly. Kailangan maunawaan natin, hindi lang malaman, kundi maunawaan natin ng husto paano i-manage yung hard-earned money natin. Alright? And nandito yan sa IMG. No other organization out there is doing exactly what we do here in IMG. Tayo lang po yung organization na concerned talaga tayo sa bawat Pilipino, bawat family to learn how to become better, to improve the financial status sa buhay natin. And that is reason number one. Number two, system-driven. Like a franchise business and big successful companies out there. Guys, if gusto mo mag-business, if you want a business, and you want that business na mag-sustain, mag-grow, and to last that business, kailangan sistema. If you want a small business, you don't need a system. But if you want a big business, because ito po isang magandang mission, kailangan system. Dito sa IMG, we are system-driven. May sistema po tayong sinusunod. So mean to say, you are very lucky, you are very fortunate to join an organization na merong sistema. Just like any career, any profession, any business na successful, there's always a system behind it. Okay? Number two yan. Let's go number three. Online business. Process and transact online worldwide reach. When you join IMG and you attend classes, you can attend classes online. When you practice the profession and career, you can do your business or career online. Lahat po ng processes, pag may mag-join sa'yo, magtatanggap ka ng income, online po yan lahat. So, a lot of big businesses today, maraming big businesses today invest a lot of money, millions and billions to bring their business online. Tayo po dito sa IMG, naka-online na. Mean to say, when you join IMG, you already have an online business also. Okay? That's number three po. Number four reason, flexible and professional career. You can start and earn income part-time or full-time. Lahat ng members sa IMG po, when they do the career, usually they start part-time. Okay? And some people do it part-time because they just want to earn extra on top of what they earn from their job or from their business. Okay yon. Some people go full-time because they found that IMG, they learned that IMG, they can earn more when they focus more and give time more. So it's up to you because flexible and professional career ito. All right? That's number four. Number five, tested and proven advanced business. Marami na po naging successful dito and they get to earn income that they never earned before. All right? Earn six-figure income online and offline. Dahil sa sistema natin, this is very possible and marami na po naging multi-million income earner. Just like I said, this is a business. So what kind of business do you want? A small business or a big business? Si IMG po, big business tayo. So as a result, your income also has a lot of potential. Your income can grow even beyond six-figure. Just do it and follow ano yung sa sistema natin, and we have mga coach and mentors na tutulong sa'yo kasi tested and proven na po ito. That's number five. Okay? Number six, no area and territory limits. Do business and expand locally and globally. Maraming mga organization out there na meron silang mga sales, what you call this, sales requirement. No? Pag sinabing sales, may limitation yan. Sa lugar na yan, sa city na yan, sa country na yan, no? Limited. Sa atin po wala kasi we are not a sales organization. No? Advocacy at mission po yung focus natin. So dapat walang limit. No? Walang specific area na nandyan ka lang. No? Yung mission natin para sa lahat. Kaya you can do business and expand locally and globally. So the minute you join today, you can already expand your business up to where you want to expand. So yung kung taga Cebu ka, then you can talk to people in Manila. If taga Manila ka, you can talk to people in Cebu or Mindanao. If taga Pilipinas ka, you can talk to people abroad. No area and no territory limits. That's number 6. Number 7, no quota. Build your business through the system at your own pace. So ito yung isa sa pinakamagandang feature dito sa IMG as a career, as a profession, because you are not treated as a salesperson. Wala tayong quota. Okay? It means to say, entrepreneur tayo, and entrepreneur believes in time freedom. So we say you do this business at your own pace, then you're fine, you're okay. Some people do this business 2-3 hours a day. Some people do this business 5 hours a day. At your own pace, at your own time. You set your own target, you set your own, gusto mo magkaroon ng 100,000 this month, then you work, no? Gusto magkaroon ng 200,000 this month, then you work. So it's up to you magkaroon ng target and magkaroon ng projection kasi business mo ito eh. Kasi wala tayong quota, okay? That's number 7. Number 8, equal opportunity. Para sa akin, anyone can join and earn the highest contract and achieve success. Yan po yung na-discover ko dito sa IMG. Regardless whether high school graduate, college graduate, or hindi ka na-graduate, regardless whether professional ka, hindi ka professional, housewife ka, retiree ka, student ka, you can join and do this business. You can join and learn about the mission. You can join and enjoy the benefits and perks of being an IMG member. Equal opportunity po tayo dito. Wala tayong pinipili ano yung background mo, ano yung past job mo, sino yung mga connection mo. Hindi tayo ganyan. Equal opportunity po. Kung sinong gustong matuto, gustong gawin yung mission, join ka. Okay, that's number 8, equal opportunity. Number 9, we have the best income in the financial industry. Pag sinabing financial industry, nandyan po yung bangko, yung mga insurance company at marami pang iba na yung negosyo is more on sa financial. Dito sa IMG, we earn, you can earn as much as you want, up to 98%, even more worth of income and rewards. So I mean to say, it's even more than the job. It's even more than the traditional business because your effort, you are highly rewarded based on your effort. No? So that's the best income in the financial industry. Di ba? Sa trabaho kasi, no matter you're the most hardworking person, dito lang yung income mo. Di ba? Kung sa negosyo naman, depends on your capital, no? So maliit lang capital mo, maliit lang yung income mo. Dito sa atin, the capital is effort and time. That's why walang limit sa income kasi you can put in as much time and as much effort doing this mission, doing this business. That's why up to 98%, even more income and rewards may enjoy ng every member. That's number 9. Number 10, best incentives in the financial industry. Free healthcare, free insurance, and special privileges. So it's just like working for a big company, but you are not an employee. You are in a business, pero parang hybrid because IMG gives you incentives and benefits as well, just like an employee, but you are not an employee. So I mean to say, it's even better than an employee, it's even better than traditional business. Kasi sa traditional business, sino yung magbibigay sa'yo ng incentive? Sino yung magbibigay sa'yo ng healthcare insurance, di ba? Ikaw pa yung bibili. Dito sa atin, libre. Okay? Libre sa atin. So that's best incentive in the financial industry. Number 11, best benefits in the financial industry. Yearly bonuses and free car every 3 years. So again, it's even better than a traditional business. It's even better than the traditional job because sino magbibigay sa'yo ng yearly bonuses based on your performance? And sino magbibigay sa'yo ng free car every 3 years? Best benefits in the financial industry. And yet, you are not an employee. You are an entrepreneur. And just follow the system, do the mission, and whatever requirement or whatever kailangan gawin sa sistema, sundin mo lang. Okay? And sundin mo lang yung sinasabi ng mga mentors mo, then you'll get benefited and enjoy the rewards as well. All right? That's number 11. Number 12, financial industry business po tayo. Hindi po tayo nagbi-business ng pagkain, hindi po tayo nagbi-business ng kung ano-ano dyan. No, we are not in a physical goods business, okay? We are not in a food business. We are not in a clothing business. We are not in a vitamins business. We are in a financial industry business. Ano yan? That's the money business, okay? Meaning to say, we are engaged in distribution of money. Pera po yung produkto natin. No, walang ibang produkto, walang ma-expire. Pera po. Financial education. That's why, nandyan ka na sa business na malapit sa pera, then huwag ka nang lalabas, no? Pasok ka sa financial industry kasi nandyan yung income. It's like we are like banks, insurance companies, remittance center, but you don't have to have big capital to start a financial business, mag-join ka lang sa IMG, maging member, ma-enjoy mo na yung mga perks of having a financial industry business. Sustainable and secure income. Earn and retain your business income even when on leave due to family or personal matters. Ito, napaka-importante ito guys, no? Kasi example, may mangyayari sa family natin and kailangan talagang bigyan ng time yung family in a traditional job, in a traditional business, mag-sacrifice, magsasuffer yung trabaho mo or negosyo mo. But dito sa atin, even if you are on leave, kung continually you earn income, and pagbalik mo, nandyan pa rin yung negosyo mo. Okay? Example, let's say, nanganak ka or you have to take a leave about 3 months or 6 months. So, after 6 months, you come back, you're still enjoying the perks and benefits of being an IMG member. Nare-retain mo pa rin yung business mo. It's not like a sales job or not like a job in the office, no? Kasi hindi pwedeng ganun eh. Hindi pwedeng mag-leave ka lang kahit gusto mo. Dito, you own your time. Pero naging sustainable and secure yung income mo. Alright? So you don't have to worry na pagbalik mo, wala na. No. Nandyan pa rin yung team mo, nandyan pa rin yung income mo, nandyan pa rin yung business mo. That's number 13. And last but not the least, number 14. Ito pinaka-paborito ko. Vesting rights. No one else in the industry allows you to transfer all your business perks and benefits to your family upon retirement or death. Lahat tayo magre-retire. Alright? So lahat ng pinaghirapan mo for 10, 20, 30 years, pwede mong ipasa sa next generation mo. It could be your family, your kid, your children, or you could donate in school. Pero worst comes to worst, if God calls you earlier on, then whatever you have, it will be transferred to your family. So that is one thing na wala sa pagiging empleyado, na wala sa pagiging isang professional salesperson or insurance person out there. This is only in IMG. Okay? So if you are not yet a member of IMG, para ma-experience mo kung ano yung na-experience ko, become a member of IMG. Okay? So I hope I shared to you something relevant, and I hope to see you on the next video, and by that time, I hope you're already a member because marami nang nag-join sa IMG at marami nang umasenso. Alright? So see you on the next video. Bye-bye. God bless.